Happy birthday, yeah! You're 18. Ano ka ba? Never been kissed? Never been loved? Anak, pag ano ha, we'll see you in April. So, you take care. At magpapakabait ka. Mag-aral ka mabuti. At hopefully, makikita-kita tayo sa April. At magkakaroon tayo ng grand reunion. So, enjoy your party. And, say hi to your mom and your dad. At si Kirsten at Kenneth, hopefully, you'll see them in April. Okay? So, enjoy your birthday, your 18th birthday. At ito si Katrina. Nakabati ka na ba, mahal? Say hi.
Hi, Ate Aya. Hope you get here safely.
Wow, how sweet. Ano pang gusto mo sabihin kay Ate Aya?
That's all.
Ano gusto mo pasalubong kay Ate Aya?
I don't know that much.
No, it's her birthday, so it's her special day. Okay? So, huwag ka muna magbo-boyfriend. Okay? So, wait until you're 25. Para sulit. Kaya, humingi ka ng tip kay Ate May mo on how to find a good boyfriend. Okay? So, enjoy your party. Enjoy your 18th birthday, and we'll see you soon.
Okay,
Say bye!
bye.
Okay,